Do you want a high limit credit card with 0%?
In this video, we're going to be talking about NBKC Bank and how to apply for a credit card without having a bank account. Now, let's dive into the first card, which is the Platinum card. Now, with this particular card, one thing I love about it is that it has 0% interest for a full 18 billing cycles, which is 18 months. Now, with a lot of credit cards, money magnets, you have like 30 to 90 days to be able to do that balance transfer. But with this particular card, they give you the full 18 months. So, for example, if you decide in 15 months that you want to do a balance transfer on one of your high limit credit cards, this would be the perfect card for you because it doesn't lock you into that 60 to 90 days. Also, with this credit card, they have the pay now over time, which is called extended pay. Now, you have 0% interest. So just say, for example, you have a large purchase that you want to make and you want to do a set payment on this large purchase. You can do that and you pay no interest. So you pay it over time as if it was an installment loan. You go right into your portal, you check off on the card which one you want to do pay over time with, and you have 0% interest. I love this. These cards right here most definitely can be a cash flow changer. Marvin, let's look at what other cards they have available.
All right, guys, I want to make sure you like and share this video. And anybody that has any experience with NBKC, please comment below. Light these comments up with data points, or if you know what bureau they pulled or what kind of limits you got approved for. All right, Gloria, let's jump into the everyday rewards card. Okay. Earn up to 4 times the points and receive 15,000 bonus points. You get 4 times the points on dining, takeout, and restaurant delivery. You also get 2 times the points on grocery stores, gas station, EV charging, and streaming services. And when you earn the 15,000 points, when you spend $500 within the first 90 days. Also, you get 1 times the points on all other purchases, but I'm not going to forget to tell you, you get 0% for 6 months. And like Gloria said, read these offers, guys. A lot of people comment, hey, that's just another Elon bank, but you'll be surprised. Elon changes it on every bank or credit union that they back. And remember, if you're looking to raise up to $250,000 for your business, look in the description below and make sure you get a free business strategy call book with Gloria and myself.
Okay, Marvin, the next card, which is the Max Cash Preferred card. Now, with this particular card, you get 5% cash back in 2 categories. And the first $2,000 in combined purchases each quarter, okay? You also get a $150 bonus when you spend $500 in the first 90 days. Also, you get 2% cash back in 1 category on everyday purchases, and you get 1% unlimited cash back on all other purchases. You know, the APR on this credit card is from 18.49% all the way up to 28.74%. So, you know, money magnets, when you're looking at these cards, look at what card best suits your situation.
Right.
I love the first card because they have that 0% interest. So if that fits you, go ahead and apply for that particular card. But Marvin, let's look at what other cards that they have available that may be a cash flow changer for you money magnets.
All right, guys, we're going to jump into the travel rewards card. All right, with this card, there is a $99 annual fee. It is 0% for 12 months. Like Gloria said, make sure you read the details because this one is 0% for the full 12 months, which means you can get in month 10, still do a balance transfer, and still take advantage of that 0%. You also get 4 times the points on travel, gas stations, EV charging, entertainment, and recreational programs. You get 1.5 times the points on all other eligible purchases. You can earn 25,000 points when you spend $2,000 in the first 120 days. And you get airport lounge access, which when you're traveling abroad, look, that priority pass helps. You know, I was in Colombia a few months ago, and having that pass in certain airports, that VIP access, does help you relax while you're waiting on your flight. But Gloria, let's tell them about the next card.
Now we're back to the black cards, money magnets, the reserve reward card. Now, you know I love having the prestigious cards in my wallet, but they do come with a fee.
Yeah.
This card has a $390 annual fee, okay? But you also get some amazing benefits with it, okay? So you earn 50,000 bonus points worth $500 when you spend $4,500 in the first 90 days. Now, I know sometimes you may think that that's a lot, but it's not, because these are high limit credit cards, okay? You also get 6 times the points when you book your travel directly through the portal.
Yeah.
You also get 2 times the points on all other eligible purchases. This card also gives you the airport lounge access, which is the priority pass. You know, that's a good perk to hold in your wallet. I love kicking my feet up when you have delayed flights and things of that nature. But Marvin, let's see what else they have to offer.
All right, this is one of my favorites. It's the College Real Rewards card. All right, you can teach your kids how to be responsible in college by helping them get a card. Remember, add an authorized user on their credit as early as you can. We did it with our kids when they were around 12 years old. Okay, they can earn 1.5 times the points for every dollar they spend. All right, the great part, they can earn $2,500 bonus points worth up to $25 on the first purchase that they make. And then they can add this to their telephone, because you know those kids always carry those telephones around.
Right.
They can choose the rewards and redeem cash back. You know, in college, every dollar counts. They also get 0% for 6 months. That can mean a lot to a college kid that's learning how to be responsible. I think this is a great tool to teach your kids. Now, Gloria, let's move on to the personal loans.
One thing I love about this bank is that it's a very simple process in order to apply for the loan. I would keep in mind, money magnets, make sure that you have your proof of income available, your driver's license, your social security card, just in case they ask for these things.
And then keep in mind, if you're a business owner or you're looking to be a business owner, taking out a personal loan can help you inject capital into your business. I mean, my mom actually helped me start my business when I was 19 years old with a credit card. So that 0% interest could work wonders in your business. And I know you want to focus on business only and not personal, but sometimes you got to do what you got to do to save money and get that business started, because in the beginning, sometimes it's tough. But guys, let's move on to the auto loans.
Okay, now on the auto loans, they go all the way up to 72 months with a 6.75 interest rate. But keep in mind, the interest rate is going to depend on your credit score.
And one of our daughters got ready to start a business, and she needed a truck to pull her food trailer. And we told her to get a personal loan instead of a business loan, because the insurance is going to be higher, the interest rate may be higher, and in the beginning, every dollar counts.
Hello, my name is Rachel.
My name is Darius.
And we are starting a food truck business. We needed the capital for our business, so Marvin and Glory helped us raise $50,000.
Yeah, it was a super easy, quick and easy process. It only took like 3 to 4 business days to get done, and it went quicker than what I thought it would. So I highly suggest y'all shop with them. So contact them if y'all want funding, and a quick and easy process to get it done. So yeah.
Work smarter, not harder.
So all right, guys, let's move on to the home loans. Okay, with the home loans, guys, they have conventional, FHA, VA, even new construction. But what I would do is call the bank before you get too super excited and make sure that you can do a home loan in your zip code, or you can try to apply online. And then when you're getting ready to get a home loan, make sure you got 2 years taxes, 6 months bank statements, and 2 pay stubs, because that's normally what they're going to start with in the beginning. And then if you get ready to apply for anything at this bank, I would make sure my TransUnion credit score is over 700, because this seems to be a very conservative bank.
Okay, Marvin, let's talk about the HELOC loans that they have available. So with the HELOC, it goes from 5.99% all the way to 18.50%, which they're saying the average credit card is at 27.9%.
Yeah.
So this right here could most definitely be a cash flow changer. So you want to weigh your options. We have a student, Marvin, that actually decided to take out a home equity loan to pay down some of the credit card debt that he has. And that opens him him up to more funding. So just think about some of the things that you can do. You have to make sure what options that are available to you, because any situation, guess what? There is an option for you.
And if you guys want us to talk about the business side of this particular bank, make sure you comment below. And remember, if you're looking to start a business or you already in business and you want to raise up to $250,000 for your business, look in the description below and book a free business strategy call with Gloria and myself.
But hold up, Marvin, because I have a gem.
What you got, babe?
Okay, Money Magnets, if you're looking for another bank that has high limits with 0% interest, check out this next video.
I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.